So it is a beautiful July 24th. It's, we're in Southern Ontario. It has been extremely wet coming through. We actually had a large maple tree drop on the neighbors. We're going to split some maple today. But we got a new option to show you guys. We've obviously been sending a lot of these machines with a 2-inch ball coupler, which comes standard. Now, an 1165 will always come with this because you might want to tow it across the yard to the neighbor's house, whatever sort of thing. But for the people that don't have an ATV or a larger lawnmower and just want to move it, across the yard by hand, we've made a caster handle. Now, this here is a long handle with a 8-inch caster wheel on it. It's the same caster that we put on our wood chippers as well, and it's a pretty simple operation. You pull the pin, and there's 2 settings. You can leave it this far and let the handle stick out this long, or you can move it in and you can use it in this position as well. It's really whatever floats your boat. You put the pin in, and this would be what we call the stow position. So just like this here, you can see it's locked in position and it just hangs like that. And if we want to use it, we'd simply take this pin, pull the pin, pull this back. You'll see it lifts the splitter up. Pin goes through the locket, and from there we can move it a whole lot easier than we could before. So now the cool thing is, I haven't used this log splitter for about 6 weeks. It's electric. Yeah, I can't go far into the back 40, but I don't got to worry about gas. I don't got to worry about oil. I can simply plug it in and I'm off to the races. And of course, our handy dandy lifter. Now these maple rounds aren't huge by no means, but they are really wet, so they're not exactly light. So the lifter will be nice to have, most definitely. There we go. It's a nice little trailer full. That's about it. I'm going to pack her up and get on the road. There we go. So that is the caster handle. It'll be on the website, and if you guys already have an 1165, it'll fit what you have. Or if you got questions about it, you can see more at split-fire.com. Of course, you can call us at the office. We're more than happy to talk to you. And give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, and have a great weekend.